Good morning. I welcome you to mathematics, and at this point in time we'll be discussing on what is termed as AP, which is arithmetic progression. So this is what you're expected to know in respect to arithmetic progression. When you're dealing with AP, they'll ask you to find the number of terms, or they'll ask you to find the sum of terms. So here's the thing: finding the nth term and the number of terms. So we are saying that finding the nth term or number of terms So when you are finding the nth term or the number of terms, the formula you will use is Tn equals to a plus open brackets n minus 1 d. That formula is used when you're finding the nth term or the number of terms. So check out. A represents the first term. A represents the first term. Nth pattern, nth term. Let me just put it at nth term. Then D, that's a common difference. D is a common difference. That's what D is. This one is nth term or number of term to be found. Okay, so Tn represents the nth term or the number of term to be found. Then A, the first term. Then N, the nth term or the number of term to be found, or number of term to be found. Then D, that's a common difference. So I'm going to demonstrate how you can find nth term and number of terms using the formula. So I'll give you the sequence 3, 5, 7. Then they tell us to say find the nth term. Well, let me even put up 9. So technically, before you even start solving, you should note that this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, that's T4. Those are the terms that we have. So they want you to find the nth term. They say find the nth term. So to find the nth term, what you're going to do is this: you write down your formula. Tn equals to a plus open brackets n minus 1 d. So remember, a represents the first term. Tn represents the nth term. So I'll write to say nth term equals to a, that's the first term, that's T1. So it will be 3 plus open brackets n, that is part of the formula, so you leave it as is, n minus 1. What's the common difference? Let's check out common difference. Okay, I did not indicate, but common difference D equals to T2 minus T1. So what is T2? 5 minus 3 to give you what? 2. So there you put up what? 2. So in this case it will be nth term equals to 3 plus 2 times n, that is 2n. 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. From there, you group the right terms together. So this one will be nth term will be equals to 3 plus that is 3 minus 2, that is plus 2n. So it will be nth term equals to 3 minus 2, it will give you 1 plus 2n. So that one becomes the formula for the nth term. Meaning, with that formula that we've made, the one that we are calling the nth term, that formula can be used to prove all these points. Take for instance, the first term is 3. Using the nth term that we have found, which is 1 plus 2n, when replaced on n, we should find the first term. So if we are told to say, prove that T1 is 3, we just say, okay, 1 plus, that is 2. Term 1, that's 1 there. That will be 1 plus 2 to give you 3. We want to find the next term. It will be 1 plus 2. There you put 2. 1 plus 4 to give you what? 5. So indeed the nth term is correct. So that is about the nth term. From there, you can be told to say, you find what is termed as the number of term. So there we have 4 terms. Then they tell us to say, find the 11th term. We just say, okay, Tn will be equals to a plus open brackets n minus 1d. So what are we finding? 11th term. Find the 11th term. So in this case, it will be just Tn equals to A. What is A? That is 3 the first term plus 11th term. So where there is n, we put 11 minus 1. What's the common difference? We're going to have what? 2. That's the common difference between those numbers. So T11, even you're supposed to get T11, will be equals to 3 plus, that's 10. That's what? 2. So it will be 3 plus. This and this will give us what? 20. 20 plus 3 to be 23. So that one is 11th term. If you want, you can even do this. 1 plus 2, open brackets, 11. Using the nth term, it will be 1 plus 22 to give you 23. So indeed, T11 equals to 23. So that's how we find the nth term, and that is how you find what is termed as the number of terms. Thank you.